All right, good afternoon and welcome. I'm Amita Wadhwa. First up, getting you the updates as far as the NCB now widening the scope of investigation that is concerned. We'll be getting our reporters there live from Mumbai because what we're getting to know that multiple teams that have arrived from different states, including from Delhi and from Madhya Pradesh as well. Straight away going across to Shivani now. Shivani, good afternoon to you. What more are we learning? Because we are told that the NCB has called the Cordelia Cruise owners once again, and that is being done for the second time. And as far as the other search operations and searches that are being carried out by the NCB, we're getting to know that too is also happening simultaneously.
Amita, see, this is day 4 and the operation still continues, and not only NCB Mumbai but now NCB Delhi and NCB Indore teams have also arrived here, and they are on a continuous operation and they are getting links after the interrogation of the first 3 arrestees and then later 5 more arrestees, and again 3 more people have been taken into custody by the NCB, and now they are being interrogated further. Further questioning is taking place, and they say that there is a larger group, more inputs are pouring in, and 3 people, the 3 arrested were taken out from the NCB office. They were probably taken for medical also, because after every 24 hours the medical needs to be conducted. And what we are also tracking is that the cruise owner is once again has been summoned by the NCB, and this is the second time when he will be summoned. The first day he was summoned, he had gone to the NCB office and he had distanced himself from the whole drug bust case. He said he was just not aware for what purpose the drugs were being carried on the cruise. But we also know that second time today he will be summoned, and yesterday when the cruise ship had come back to Mumbai, once again Samir Wankhede, the joint director of the NCB, had raided the ship. 3 more people were found with drugs in their luggages. The NCB has yet to put out a formal statement, but what we can see and make out that this is a series of raids that's taking place by the NCB side, a larger nexus being looked into, and Aryan Khan and 2 others, Munmund Hamecha and Arbaz Merchant, they remain to be in the custody of NCB till 7th of October.
Shivani, what we are getting to know as far as those who have now been extended in their custody, because that is also an important point of the investigation, important part of the investigation rather, where the NCB had suggested that it would like to confront all of those people there, especially with those people who are allegedly the drug peddlers and have been nabbed by them.
Yes, Amita, that's what was also pleaded by the NCB yesterday in the arguments when we had heard how Satish Mani Shinde was also keeping the plea ahead for the bail. The NCB had said that all these people who have been arrested, detained and intercepted by the NCB, they need to be together, they need to be confronted with each other, because a lot of statements have been made by the people who have been arrested. It was a very long interrogation, remember, Amita, and there have been people who have been intercepted, and NCB sources have revealed that these are the people who were in a part of the supply chain in larger quantities of the contrabands that have been confiscated, recovered, seized from these people who were on board the cruise ship. So now what we are seeing here is that this is a larger group, a larger nexus, and biggest ever bust that took place in the high seas in the middle of the night. And after that, we are keeping a close track on all the fronts where this story is developing each day. And today, when NCB had taken out the 3 accused, though their faces were covered, but what we are being told is that they might be the people who were arrested later by the NCB. They were taken for medical, and we are also expecting that Aryan Khan might be taken to some of these locations where NCB wants to further probe, the locations about which it has got information during the initial interrogation and questioning. So a lot of action still happening, a series of raids taking place, the search operation continues, and many more layers will be exposed soon.
All right. right, Shivani, stay on with us. As you pointed out, we also have Priyanka right now live joining us from the NCB office. Let me go across to her as well. Priyanka, good afternoon to you. As far as the NCB is concerned, because we are already looking at how they have been actively investigating this entire probe ever since it began on a Saturday late night. Because at this point, we are told 2 more arrests that have taken place also when it comes to the teams from Gujarat, Delhi, Indore, that is Madhya Pradesh, that have also arrived at the Mumbai NCB office.
Yes, we are seeing a lot of raids, a lot of action, in fact, from the NCB that is being carried out in the investigation of this drug bust. We have been told that the NCB officials had also taken Aryan, Arbaz and Munmun as well from the NCB office, and late last night as well we had seen a series of movements by the NCB officials who are now investigating the deeper nexus, the reason why these 3 accused had been taken into custody and they were sought for an extension of the remand period as well, so that they can be interrogated further as well. And as we have been seeing since late last night, that there are more raids that are being carried out by the NCB, which is a crucial development in this entire investigation, because that really goes to show that NCB is not just stopping at the tip of the iceberg that they had busted on board of this cruise ship inside of this rave party, but they are also now investigating further and deeper into the suppliers. Because remember, the NCB yesterday in the court as well had stated that they have raided upon the suppliers who they had gotten the information of from the gadgets of these accused, and now the suppliers had quantity which was a commercial quantity that the suppliers had and that had been seized as well. Now from those suppliers a deeper nexus is being investigated upon, and more series of raids being carried out by the NCB as we speak in this entire matter, in this entire investigation, and as well. We are being told that Aryan, Arbaz and Munmun will also be confronted with the evidence that the NCB had gathered with respect to their gadgets, with respect to the incriminating WhatsApp chats as well that they had talked about in front of the court as well yesterday while they sought remand extension for all of these 3 accused. And we're standing right outside of the NCB office. We'll pan our camera, we'll show our viewers the visuals outside of this NCB office where of course, the interrogation will also is underway with of all these accused who are being questioned about their involvement in this entire drug bust that has been carried out by the NCB, and we can expect by today evening a number of names that might also come out of the suppliers, the traffickers, the people who have been in the deeper nexus of things, and of all these other drug suppliers as well that they had in their custody. Amita, another very important point is that the drug peddlers had been taken into custody by the NCB, and they were also confronted with the evidence that they had. They were also interrogated further to understand who was their supplier.